So one day, after watching him let another perfect work period go by like it was just practice pitches, I says to him, listen kid, you're approaching this class like you're waiting for the perfect pitch, but you're already down 2 strikes before yaw even pick up your pencil.
It's like baseball, I tells him. Nobody ever got a hit by watching the first 2 strikes go by and then deciding maybe they ought to start swinging. By then, you got the pressure of that 3rd strike hanging over you like a curveball you didn't see coming. The kid looks at me funny, like when someone tells you it ain't over till it's over, and I continue, every class period is like a fresh at-bat. You got time to work, that's your strikes.
But you're letting them go by like they're intentional walks, except nobody's trying to walk you. You're walking yourself right into a tough spot. See, in baseball and in life, timing is everything, but you also got to be ready when your time comes. When you're at the plate, you don't wait for 2 strikes to start thinking about hitting. And when you're in class, you don't wait till the last minute to start thinking about your work.
Then I really laid it on him with the closer. The future ain't what it used to be, especially if you keep letting good opportunities pass you by. You can observe a lot by watching, but you can't complete your work by just staring at it. You know what? That kid started showing up to class ready to swing at the first good pitch, metaphorically speaking, of course. Started using his class time like a pro uses batting practice.
When opportunity throws you a pitch, don't wait till you're down to your last strike to start swinging. Nobody ever won a ball game by leaving their bat on their shoulder, and nobody ever passed a class by waiting till the 9th inning to start their work. Like I always say, it gets late early out here, so you better start early too. Remember kid, 90% of this game is half mental, and that goes for schoolwork too. You gotta be ready to play ball from the first pitch, or before you know it, the game's over and you haven't even taken a swing. You can't hit what you don't swing at, a lesson in time management.